This iPhone 12 has been underwater for a month. Do you think it can still be saved? A female fan sent this iPhone 12. You can see that both cameras are full of water stains. She said the phone fell into an artificial lake in a park where kids play. At that time, the staff told her that she might find it when they periodically drain and clean the lake. Surprisingly, after a month, they actually contacted her. She watches my videos regularly. When she got the phone back, she didn't dare turn it on. She also didn't dare charge it and sent it straight to me. She mentioned that she's actually a fan of Tony. If this phone, which has been submerged for a month, can be repaired, she'll give Tony a mysterious gift. Recently, we started a charity campaign. We're using the proceeds from the videos and phone repair income to help stray cats. If you'd like to help these furry friends get through the winter, you can send a gift in the comments. To avoid causing financial stress, the value doesn't need to exceed $1. From the looks of it, the motherboard still seems pretty clean. We peeled off the water-resistant foam on the motherboard. There's only a little bit of mild corrosion underneath. We cleaned it thoroughly. We then tested it with a power supply. The motherboard isn't leaking electricity. When we pressed the power button, the motherboard actually booted up. Is the iPhone's water resistance really this good? We removed the front camera. We thoroughly cleaned the parts where water got into the casing. Okay, let's insert the motherboard to test it. The water stains on the screen and earpiece also need cleaning. We reconnected the screen, plugged in the charger. The charging symbol appeared. The screen even displays properly. After charging for a few minutes, it successfully booted into the system. Could it really be that after a month underwater, there's no issue at all? We continued by reinstalling the front camera. The rear camera is fogged up, and nothing is visible through it. We removed the rear lens and cleaned it thoroughly. After reinstalling the rear camera, we connected the screen and powered it on to test all functions. Some people quietly watch the videos, but they silently like, comment, share, repost, and follow. People like that are so lovely. While testing Face ID, we found that it couldn't register due to a misalignment. We removed the Face ID components to inspect them. This area was the most water damaged in the entire phone. It looks like the Face ID module was damaged after water exposure. We mounted the Face ID module on a special test frame to check it. The system showed that the chip had burned out. Indeed, the dot projector component was damaged. We backed up the data from the damaged dot projector flex cable. Then we wrote it into a new flex cable. We removed the dot projector flex cable from the test frame. If Face ID can't register, it's usually because the MOSFET was shorted out by water damage. We removed the MOSFET, soldered it to create a short connection. Then we used a heat gun to remove the Face ID module from the original flex cable. We installed it onto this new flex cable. We reloaded the previously backed up data onto this new flex cable. Then we glued the flex cable back to the dot projector frame. Okay, the repair is done. We reassembled the phone for testing. The original iPhone dot projector module is encrypted and non-replaceable. The method we're using now is a workaround. We tested it, and Face ID can now be registered. We took the screen off again and reapplied the waterproof foam on the motherboard. We cleaned the interior once again, applied new waterproof adhesive. Now, you all understand the purpose of waterproof adhesive, right? Then we reinstalled the screen and all components. Okay, this phone is fully restored.